Good morning to all. I am Faisal, your social science teacher. Today I am back with a new topic. In last class, we discussed about which block? Yes, correct. Work people do. We discussed first two areas of work people do. Which are the areas we discussed in that block? What? Yes, correct. First, we discussed about different jobs. Is it correct? Yes, we discussed about different jobs. In our society, people doing what? Different jobs. We need different things from different people. Is it correct? Yes. Which are the jobs? Give some examples of jobs. Yes, yes. Cobbler, teacher, doctor, nurse, carpenter. Yes, these are the different jobs. We need different things time to time. For that, we depend for these kind of different jobs. Okay, all of you clear? Yes. After that, what we discussed? What? Yes. After that, we discuss about tools and training. Okay? We discuss about tools and training. What is a tool? What? Yes, correct. A tool is a thing we need to do a job. Things we need to do a job. That are the tools. All jobs need different tools. Okay? Yes. Then what is training? What? Yes, correct. Okay, good clap. Okay. Yes. Learning to do something. That we can call as what? Training. Learning to do something. Training. In that class, we discuss about some jobs need training and some other jobs do not need training. Which are the items? Which are the items we need training? What? Yes, teacher. A teacher needs training. From where teacher get training? In a college, yes. And doctor, nurse. Then what? Yes, engineer. These people need, they want training. Okay. And what is the next area? Some people, some category of jobs, they no need of training. Which are the items? Yes, a cleaner, a plumber, a carpenter. What's that? Yes, a tailor. These kind of people, no need of what? They no need training. Then how they doing their job? Yes, they learn job from another people. Is it? Yes. These are the areas we discussed in our last class. And today going to discuss about that same block, work people do. Yes, work people do. Okay? Yes. Look at this picture. All of you clearly look at this picture. What you see in this picture? What is that? What is that? Yes. What they're doing in that picture? They're weaving. Weaving what? Clothes. We all wearing clothes. Me and you all are wearing clothes. Okay. Some clothes are made where factories, good, factories. And some other clothes are made by people from home. This category of clothes we get from where? From home. People doing these jobs by their hand. Okay? Yes. That is today's our topic. We going to discuss about the nature of training in a local craft like weaving. Okay? Yes. We're going to discuss what? Nature of training in local craft. What is a local craft? Who are the craft people? Yes, craft peoples. They make things by hand. They are craft people. In India, we can see many different types of craft peoples. They're making which are the item? Can you give some examples of crafts? What is that? Yes, correct. Hand embroidery. Yes, that is one example for craft. Hand embroidery. Any other? Anybody? Yes, what is that? Yes, basket making. Basket making. Next, pottery. These are some examples of crafts, local crafts. And we're going to discuss about the nature of training of that kind of local craft like weaving. In India, we can see different types of crafts. And today going to discuss about weaving or about a weaver. Okay, all of you ready? Yes. To discuss about a weaver, we're going to analyze, we check a story of a weaver. His name is Bhagat. We going to read a story of Bhagat. I'm going to read story. All of you will hear. Okay? Yes. Whose story? Bhagat's story. Yes. Bhagat is a weaver. He lives with his family in village in Assam. Assam is in the northeastern part of India. For almost 200 years, his family has been weaving Muga silk. Muga silk is a special type of silk cloth made from silkworms. Bhagat learned weaving from his father. His father learned it from the elders at home. Bhagat has 3 children. He plans to teach them weaving so that they can continue this work when they grow up. Bhagat weaves the cloth on his loom at home. He buys silk thread and put them on the loom. Then he and his wife weave the cloth using thread. It takes him many months to weave one sari. Bhagat finds it difficult to earn enough money from weaving. The thread is becoming very costly and he does not find people who can buy these saris at a good price. Instead, shopkeepers from the city buy them from him at cheap prices. Many weavers from his village have moved to cities in search of other jobs. Bhagat is worried that soon there may be no one left to weave these beautiful silk saris. This is the story of a Bhagat. All of you understand the story? Yes? Yes. I will explain what we have read in that story. Bhagat is a weaver. Where he lives in Assam. For almost 200 years, he and his family are doing weaving which type of silk? Muga silk. What is Muga silk? Muga silk is a type of silk. We can categorize silk into many. Okay, Muga silk is a type of silk. We can make using this Muga very colorful saris. Okay, yes, and where Bhagat study his weaving, he learned that job from his father, and his father learned it from elders at home. Okay, and Bhagat has 3 children, and he plans to teach them what weaving. Why? After they grow up, they can do that job. Okay, yes, and Bhagat buys silk thread from the city. It's very costly thread. Okay, and using that thread, he and his wife what take that thread into loom. What is loom? This is the loom. Using that silk thread, he put that thread into loom for making saris. For making one sari, he takes many months. Okay, but he find difficulty to see anyone. What? No one is ready to buy his sari. What is the problem? Big price. Then what happened really? The shopkeepers in the city buys that saris from him in cheap prices. They give only some prices for that. Okay? Yes. And now he is worried about that. Many of the villagers now moving to city in search of new jobs. What is the reason? Yes, yes. What is the reason? They didn't get much prices for their products, saris, silk items. Okay, this is a simple story of a weaver. What is the name? Bhagat. Okay, this is we discussed about weaver. Nature of training in a local craft like weaving. Today we discuss about a weaver. What is the name of that weaver? Bhagat. Bhagat. Bhagat is a weaver. He buys silk thread from city. What are the problems he facing? Yes, not getting enough prices, enough money to live. Okay. He plan to move to another job. Such of many of his villages are moved to where? To city for what? In search of other job or better jobs. These are the some local crafts in India. Okay. Yes. Next we going to area. A woman in uniform. Okay. Yes. All of you. Look at these kind of jobs. Here we can see different types of jobs. Which are the items? Yes. What is that? Yes. Teacher, nurse, engineer, army officer. Okay. All of you these are some examples of some jobs we discussed in last class. Yes. You want to do that. You want to select that some item that woman can do. You which items you plan to select that a woman can do. Okay, all of you just think about that. By looking these jobs, you want to find which item that is better for woman, a woman can do. Okay, yes, find it. All of you got? Yes. What is that? Yes, teacher. Yes, a woman can do teaching job. Yes, correct. Then nurse, engineer, doctor. Okay. Yes. And what happened to army officer? Why is some of them are simply skipping army officer? If a woman can be a army officer, is it correct? Some of them have doubts. Okay? Yes. What is that? Yes. A woman can be a army officer. Okay? Yes. Like men, women, females, ladies also can do army office or defense activities, defense services. Okay? Yes. That we going today. Our next area, a woman in uniform or importance of woman working in defense services. Okay? All of you ready that? To discuss about importance of woman working in defense services. Okay? Yes. To discuss this, we check a letter from an army officer. Her name is Zarina. She working where? She working in Jammu Kashmir as army officer. Okay. One day, Zarina sent a letter to his mother. That we going to read. A letter of Zarina. He wrote a letter to her mother. Yes, that we going to read. Yes, I going to read. All of you clearly listen. Dear Amma, I hope you are fine. I have just come back to my camp after guarding the border so that enemies do not attack our country. We had to climb mountains, cross rivers on rope bridges, and stay awake at night in our tents. Sometimes we even had to walk for long hours to run very fast. I am happy that I learned all this in Army College. I thank you and Abba for helping me to become an army officer. That was my dream. Did you have any such dreams, Amma? Yes. She asking to her mother. You only stayed at home, cooked, and look care of us. I thank you for this. I will come home for 3 days in January. Give my love to Abba and Sahil. Your loving Dr. Zarina. What we discuss in this? We discuss about a letter. Who sent that letter? Zarina. What's she doing? She's an army officer. Where? Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, it's a part of India. And what she shared? She shared, Zarina shared her experiences. Where? In army. She working army officer. She's a good army officer. Okay. There she studied in where Sarina studied in Army College. From Army College, he studied how to climb mountains and how to cross rivers. In time of job, where she lives, where he stays in small tents. Okay. Do you think the job of the Rina is an easy one? No, no, yes, all of you know that. We need for an army job powerful strength and courage also. Then only we can do army jobs, defense services. Okay, Zarina is a courageous and strong lady. So she can do many courage activities for her country. Okay, she protecting our country from enemies. Is it? Yes. Like Zarina, many of men, women's, ladies, females are working in armies. Okay, are you know about army defense service? Yes, we can divide the defense service into three categories. The first category is that Air Force. What is Air Force? What is Air Force? Air Force is a group of armed people. They fight for country using aircraft, using planes. Did you see that? Yes, all of you see that. Yes. Then next which one? Yes, what is that? Navy. How they working? Where? Yes? Yes, correct. Navy is a group of armed people. They're working, they're fighting for the country. Where? At sea. Okay? Yes. They're working, Navy officers fighting, they're protecting our sea part. Okay? Yes. Then third one, which is that? Yes, army. They it's a group of army, group of armed people. They're working where? On land. They're working on land. Which group? The army group. In defense, we have these three kinds of army or defense services. Okay? Yes. Our topic is about importance of women in defense services. Years ago, in army or defense services, only men can be work. Now, women, we can see. Now, what happened? Many of the women are ready to do any army jobs. Okay? Yes, they are courageous, strong. Okay? Now they are ready to do all kind of jobs. Years ago, all females, they stayed at home, cooked and looked after the family. Now things are changed. All are going to searching of jobs like army. Okay, in this portion, we discuss about a lady. What's the name of that lady? Zarina. But she's an army officer. She learned many items from army college. She can climb mountains. She can cross rivers. Okay, these are some things about Zarina. Okay, all of you here? Yes. From this story, from the letter sent by Zarina, we can understand that what are the things they experience, what are the things they're doing in borders. Zarina working in border, Jammu Kashmir. Okay, these are the some areas about Zarina. Like Zarina, many of women are now ready to do different kinds of jobs. Is it correct? Yes, very good. Yes, these are the today's areas. Today we discuss about what people do. First, what we discussed about what different a woman in uniform. You can see women are all ready to do different kind of jobs. Okay? Yes. Now I going to explain about your homeworks or workbook activities. Okay? Yes. The first one, page number 21. You can see the title of weaving. Here we can see a picture of man doing some kind of craft work. Which is the craft work? All of you listen, yes, that we discussed. Okay, we divide, we select, we categorize some of the different chapters. What is that? Ah, yes, yes, that you want right here. What the man is doing here. Okay, and where do you think he learned this skill? Where do you think he studied this skill? Okay, And what kind of problem can we have in this job? By doing, what are the problems he is facing, that you want write in that one. And last, you want write about, yes, for page number 22, a woman in uniform. Okay, here you can see letter of Zarina, and you want to answer the following questions. First one, take the jobs that you think woman can do. Aesthetic, woman can do items. Second one, do you think Zarina is doing an important job? Okay, that you want to write here. Okay, third one, can woman be a better army officer than men? That also you want to write this area. Okay, these are today's homework. What? Write yes 3 and yes 4 on your workbook. All of you clear? Yes, that's all today. Have a nice day.